Sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ubak Preston Tensong, ulayatu ba nakaliang jong ka Sorkar Pdeng, kala ya ka Jingiaroh Halor ka Jingpyntrei kambha ya ka Skim Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana lane ka Pmgsy ha ka Jylla. Habaya keren bat kilat patai khubor, nakaliang sembut Menteri Rangba, ulayatu ba nakaliang Minister ka Rural Development jong ka Sorkar Pdeng Giri Raj Singh, ula penpau ya ka Jingkmen Halor ka Jingpyntrei kambha ya ka Pmgsy Skim ha ka Jylla. Ubak Preston Tensong, ula ong ba ya ka benta ka beningkong bat ya ka benta ka baar jong ka Skim Pmgsy katong ka long 1000 lais pa kilometer ban pendap ha ka ba menta ngila dap hadu 1000 kilometer bat nakaliang Union Minister ula ya ka Jingiaroh ya ka Jingpyntrei kambha ya ka ne ka Skim. Bat ula benrap syuk-syuk bah habapet ya ka Jingla ban Pentri kambha ya ka ne ka Skim ha ka Jylla, nakaliang ka Sorkar, menta kala penkrek ban sedang saya ka benta ka balai, syua ban sedang usniam arjar arpulai, ban ngilabu ya ka thong ban shna ya ka surok ka ba 1000 spa sanpo kilometer, na ka Skim Pmgsy ha ka Jylla. Nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba, ula betha iki officer bakin trei shitom, bakin la ban penpoi ya ka thong, ka bakila dap ban bu.
I would like to share with all of you. Recently, the Honorable Minister of Rural Development, Mr. Giri Raj Singh, we had a visual meeting with me. He reviewed the performance of our state as far as Pmgsy implementation is concerned, and I would like to tell to all of you. Right now in the northeastern states, we are the best performing state as far as Pmgsy implementation is concerned. So phase 1 and phase 2 Pmgsy, I'm telling you the target for us to complete is about 1,300 kilometers. Till today we have completed about 1,000 kilometers. So that day I'm telling you, the Honorable Union Minister, Rural Development himself, he praised the performance made by the state government. And now we are approaching to the phase 3 of the Pmgsy again. Hopefully by the end of this financial year, by the start of the new financial year, 22-23, the target again for this is about 1,250 kilometers of Pmgsy in the state. Upgradation of the existing road. So I've already instructed my secretary chief engineers of their PUD to work day and night and make sure that the target is met at the earliest possible.